In this video, we how to download and install DirectX 12. So for this, first search DXDIAG. Yes, this is for checking the version of DirectX. Open it. The pop-up menu will appear. So in that you can see the DirectX version. You can see DirectX 12 is there. So previous versions are there, means it's come pre-installed and to update Windows update wise Windows update. So nowadays Windows 10 and 11 it's automatically comes latest version, and also if any updates are available, it also if you update the Windows, it will automatically update the directors also. So if you are going to download manually, so download DirectX, you need to go to official site, Microsoft site. So here you can see DirectX. In this DirectX end user real-time web installer is there. So in that click download. So once you download, clicking it will start downloading. Yes, this exe file is downloaded, so click it and you need to install the file. So yes, welcome to setup. So I accept and agreed. So click next, and in this install the big bar is there, and unenable it and click next, and it's right now installing right now, and it's finished. So this is how to install so DirectX. And for Windows 10 and Windows 12, you once go and check with Windows update itself, it will update by through Windows. So thank you.